Numbers are to be found between 1000 and 3000, and these numbers should be divisible by 4. And these numbers have to be formed using these digits only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there is no repetition of digits. Then how many such numbers are possible? They are divisible by 4. That means what? That means the digits, final two digits should be divisible by 4. That is first condition. Right. And these two numbers should lie between 1000 and 2000. Obviously, then that means these four digit numbers, they have to start with either 1 or 2. Right. If it is a four digit number, then if it starts with 3, 4, 5, 6, obviously those numbers will be greater than 3000. Right. So they cannot start with 3, 4, 5, 6. We are looking for four digit numbers, and that too we are looking for four digit numbers whose final two digits are divisible by 4. At the same time, they have to start with 1 and 2. That is, we have simplified this problem like this. Now, they have to divisible by 4. What does that mean? That means the ending should be 12, 16, and then 24. There is no 20 because we cannot use 0. Similarly, 28 we cannot use because 8 is not there. We have to form numbers only using these 6 numbers. 32, 36, and again 40, 44, 48 is not there because we cannot use 8. Right. Then 52, 56, 60 we cannot use because 0 is not there, and 64. So the numbers have to end using 12, 16, 24, 32, 36, 52, 56, and 64 only. Right. And there is no repetition also. And they have to start with either 1 or 2. Right. Now, if you take this case, the numbers ending in 12, there is no case possible because 1 and 2 we have already used. We cannot use 3 in the first two digits. We need to use 1 or 2 only because 1 and 2 are already used in the last two digits. We don't have any option here. So there are no numbers ending in 12. Similarly, then for 16, 1 we have used. So we can use 2 in the first digit and then 3, 4, 5 in the second digit. So that means we have three options. Similarly, 24, 2 we have used here. So we can use 1 here and 3, 5, 6, the remaining three numbers. So 3 we have used here, remaining three numbers we can use here. Similarly, 32, 2 we have used, so we can use 1 here and remaining three numbers here. So in these cases, we will get 333 numbers. For example, 2316, 2416, 2516. Likewise. Now, if the last two numbers is 36, we have covered all these cases. If the last two number is 36, then that means first two numbers we can use 1 or 2. And then again, if you use 1 or 2, that means we have two options here. And then again, so if we have used 1, then we'll have then 2, 4, 5. If we had used 2, then we'll have 1, 4, 5 options here. So that means here two options and here three options. That is 2 into 3. And 52, the final two digits are 52, 2 we have used. So only 1 we can use and we have three options here. Again 3, 56. Again 1 or 2 we can use. And here two options and here three options because 1 we have used here, then we can use 2 here. If we had used 2 here, we can use 1 here. So we have three options, 2 into 3. Similarly, 64 also, 1, 2 here, and again three options here. So 2 into 3. So that means, so total is, the total, all of this total will become 10 into 3. This is 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 into 3, which is equal to 30. So basically, we can create 30 such numbers. Right, guys?